In the matter of the Police Service Commission PSC versus the Attorney General et al., where the attorneys at law representing the PSC, Selwyn Peters, Dexter Todd, and Dexter Smart, filed a notice of application challenging the decision of the President, His Excellency Irfan Ali, to suspend the PSC, Justice Gino Persaud, while hearing the supplementary matter on whether the President should be named as a respondent to the matter, cited that the Presidential Immunity Clause enshrined in Article 182(1) of the Constitution of Guyana bars the President from being named as a respondent. Justice Persaud reasoned that while the President is not above the law, he is not to be made answerable to charges brought against him in his personal capacity, and that the government, through the Attorney General's office, is the proper party which should be named as the respondent to matters brought against his government, as the President's mind is to be free from such matters, allowing him to execute the more robust functions of his office. Article 182(1) of the Constitution of Guyana states, quote, subject to the provisions of Article 180, the holder of the office of the President shall not be personally answerable to any court for the performance of the functions of his or her office or for any act done in the performance of those functions, and no proceedings, whether criminal or civil, shall be instituted against him or her in his or her personal capacity in respect thereof, either during his or her term or office or thereafter, end of quote. The President of the country was listed as a third named respondent to the matter, as Attorney at Law Selwyn Peters reasoned that he is not above the law and therefore should be made answerable for actions executed during his term in office. Attorney General Anil Nandlal, who is the fifth named respondent in the matter, subsequently filed a supplementary application asking the court to strike out the President's name from the matter using Article 182(1) as the basis of his argument. After ruling in favor of the Attorney General and striking out the President's name as a respondent in the matter, Justice Persaud awarded costs to the Attorney General to the tune of 200,000 Guyana dollars. The substantive matter is now left to be decided upon, which is whether the suspension of the Police Service Commission was lawfully done, and the parties to the matter have until October 26 to make their written submissions on that matter. In June of this year, President Irfan Ali suspended all the members of the Police Service Commission. The President's decision followed a public spat between the PSC and His Excellency, where the Commission was accused of wrongdoing when it was accused by the government of inappropriately accepting monies to renew the standing orders of the Guyana Police Force, a body over which it has supervisory control. The PSC in turn accused the President of trying to interfere in the promotion scheme, where the chairman of the Commission, Paul Slow, stated that the President contacted him seeking to promote officers of his choice within the force. Even though the President suspended the Commission, Slow and his team ignored that directive and went ahead and published its list of officers earmarked for promotion, citing that the President's suspension of the Commission is unlawful in the absence of the Judicial Service Commission. Melanie Morris, HGP Nightly News.